Hi, this is Taha Shah, and you're watching Bollywood Hangama. बरखा मेरी फिल्म जानते हैं, उसमें मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा रोल किया, बट आई फील दैट इट डिडंट रिलीज इन ऑल द सिनेमाज, वेरी लिमिटेड सिनेमाज, वेरी लिमिटेड ऑडियंस, द टाइमिंग्स ऑफ द सिनेमाज आल्सो वेर इन द मॉर्निंग, कौन जाएगा देखने के लिए, राइट? बट दिस फिल्म विल गेट द विजिबिलिटी. At this point of my time in my career, nobody knows me. I want people to at least see me. If they see that, if they give me more, I am happy. आपने कहा कि यश राज में I was almost a hero. Therefore, I was not a hero because I was almost a hero. I was an anti-hero. Let's be honest. And I love that role. I would love to be an anti-hero. I would love to be a villain. I would love to be a versatile actor. Just like Nawaz. And if I can at the same time do commercial roles, why not? That is my acting goal. I was never destined to be an actor. मैं बिजनेस फैमिली में था. माई फादर वॉज अ डॉक्टर, मदर वॉज अ बायोकेमिस्ट्री, राइट? दिस हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस. फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस हुआ, मैंने अपना बिजनेस छोड़ दिया. मैंने बोला भाई मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरे से नहीं कर सकता बिजनेस, मुझे अपने आप पे काम करना है. और मैं उस टाइम पे मॉडलिंग करता था, तो मैं बोला मॉडलिंग से न्यूयॉर्क फिल्म अकेडमी यूएई में. एंड यूएई में जब मैं बिज़नेस कर रहा था 3 साल के लिए, तो मुझे 4-5 छोटे ऐड मिले, तो मैं बहुत खुश होता था कि अच्छा ऐड मिला. बट कोई जरिया नहीं था सर. नो, बॉलीवुड जस्ट अ ड्रीम, हॉलीवुड वाज जस्ट अ सिनेमा, नथिंग एल्स. सो व्हेन आई सॉ दिस एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट, I pounced onto it. And the difficulties that I see in this, like you asked, the difficulties are basically challenges. They are to say कि भाई अभी आप comfortable zone में आ गए हो, थोड़ा सा challenge फेंको कि आप और, you become on your toes, you become awake. You understand exactly where you need to go, what you need to do, get your mind sharp, get your focus sharp, get your talent sharpened. Don't be lethargic. एक point आ जाता है सर जहाँ पे आप काम. That's the point where you don't have obstacles. Right. Difficulty is that obstacle where say, oh, I don't know how to dance very well, so I need to work on my dance. That is the obstacle. So I find obstacles like these daily in life, where I want to surpass myself. आज मैंने taekwondo, सुबह की मैंने taekwondo की, and I did it after about 8-9 days क्योंकि बीच में कुछ shoot वूट था. Now after 8-9 days I realized कि it was still in my body because I keep thinking about it. अगर मैंने सोचना बंद कर दिया ना सर, तो वो भी नहीं होगा. So I feel all these challenges that I face on a daily basis, it makes me stronger. It makes me realize my weaknesses, and the only way you'll go ahead is by making my weaknesses my strong points, right? So I try and dedicate as much time as possible into little things. Seekhu. Every time learn something new. Well, I don't know if I'm a fitness freak. I'm a freak as far as fitness is concerned though. But Siddharth, we were training in, जब हम Glasgow में थे, we started spinning classes. So me, Kat and Sid, and her trainer and her friends, they came for spinning classes. तो हम सब ने ग्लासगो में साथ में spinning classes किए. उसके बाद we became little friendly. That was the first time. मैं उनको जानता भी नहीं था. उन्होंने बोला exercise, मैंने बोला चलो करते हैं exercise the best way to bond. तो I went out. उसके बाद हम dinner के लिए गए. Then we started gymming together. Slowly Siddharth was like, I don't like certain weight exercise. I like to do calisthenics. I like to do tire के साथ ऐसा. मैं बोला अच्छा very good, now let's try and do planks. So I think we bonded, like, because he was like also playing my elder brother in the film. So it gave me a chance to bond with him. तो हम दोनों ने we started doing push-ups together. We came down to क्या बोलते हैं, अलीबाग. तो अलीबाग में हम होटल में रह रहे थे. And then he came to the gym, and in the gym मैं abs पे काम कर रहा था उस दिन, right? And उसने बोला, वो आया, बोला चलो साथ में काम करते हैं. So me and him hit it so hard कि end में उसने बोला भाई बस बस इतना काफ़ी है मेरे लिए कल. So I was I think me and the bonding that we both got and the advice that me and him shared for the gymming. He said come home, I have this rope climbing thing. Okay. Right? So मैंने बोला एक दिन मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा. But then he left for some shoot. So then I said okay fine, जब वो आएंगे, जब फिल्म रिलीज़ होगी तब मैं आऊँगा. So I'm glad that we can bond on exercise. Is a great way. Keep both of us are fit. He's also very fit, especially the song which I put on जब हम दोनों training कर रहे थे was the brothers anthem, right? So that also was something that we shared together.